Ang pinakamalapit na balita ngayong araw. OVP confirms BP Sara's trip abroad amid Karina and Habagat. Says timing unfortunate. Wow! Ang ganda ng inyong statement. Basahin natin yung statement na yan. Sa article nitong GMA News Online. The office of... Diba? Nabubulan tayo. Ang dahil gusto sabihin. The Office of the Vice President or OVP on Thursday said that Vice President Sara Duterte is currently on a personal trip. Anong trip yan na with her family overseas. Sinong family kaya ang kasama, di ba? In a statement, the OVP said the timing of Duterte's departure during the onslaught of Typhoon Karina and the enhanced southwest monsoon in Luzon was unfortunate. Yun lang ang sabi nila, Diyos ko. The OVP, however, emphasized that her trip received the necessary approvals as evidenced by the travel authority issued by the Office of the President dated July 9, 2024. So sinasabi naman nila, na-approve naman yung trip. Pero, ba't mo pa rin tinuloy? Gusto naman. To serve the family, di ba? Yun ang motto ng mga Duterte, Diyos ko. Ito ang sabi sa statement ng OVP. Lagyan natin ng magandang background music para ramdam naman natin. The timing of the trip coinciding with Typhoon Karina is unfortunate. Nonetheless, the Disaster Operations Center of the OVP, institutionalized by the Vice President, is always ready to assist families affected by calamities. The OVP did not specify which country Duterte and her family have gone to, but several news reports says they flew to Germany. So yun ang sinasabi ng ilan. Ewan ko speculation pero mukhang yun pa rin. Yun talaga yung kanyang destination sa Germany. Pero mamaya alamin natin kung ano ang meron sa Germany, ha. Despite this, the OVP said that it continues to provide assistance to people who were affected by Karina and the enhanced southwest monsoon or Habagat. Wow naman, may assistance pala ng OVP. Pinasa sa opisina na lang no? Duterte's ally. Ito ang malupit. Ito pinakamalapit dito. Duterte's ally, Senator Amy Marcos, defended the Vice President and said that the latter's trip was personal and was planned ahead of time. Diyos ko naman, ito sabi ni Amy Solusyong po. Kaya na. Amy. Ito sabi niya. Matagal ng plano yun. At hindi naman niya alam na may bagyo. Pambihira naman. At nakita naman natin ang unang umaksyon, yung OVP sa totoo lang. Nagkalat na yung mga nakapreposisyon na pagkain, mga gamot, damit, ikinalat na sa iba't ibang lugar. At palagay ko, talagang nakatutok naman sila. As of Wednesday, the office said it prepositioned goods for about 6,700 families initially. So, sinasabi ng Office of the Vice President, yung opisina ha, na 6,700 families ang nabigyan nila ng relief goods. Its Disaster Operations Center distributed hot meals to the disaster responders in Barangay Manresa, Quezon City, as well as relief bags to 300 families evacuated to Manresa Covered Court. Each of OVP's relief boxes contain food packs, hygiene kits, blankets, sleeping mats, mosquito net o kulambo, sleepers, expandable water jugs, and other necessities. The OVP's DOC leads all disaster response activities of the agency and coordinates closely with the local disaster risk reduction and management councils or DRRMC. So yun yung article. So, ang maraming nagsasabi na si Duterte daw ay papunta ng Germany. Eh ano nga ba ang meron sa Germany? Isa-search natin yan. Wait lang. Ito. Nasaan na to? Ito, tour. Hanapin natin para malinaw, di ba? Okay. Anong July 26 nga, okay. So, eto, mga kaibigan, ang schedule na malupet. Pakita natin. Taylor Swift, The Eras Tour, international dates. Saturday, July 27, with Paramore. Nasa Munich sila. Munich ang Taylor Swift. Sabado, July 27. Pati sa July 28, nandun din sila. So, saan nga ba matatagpuan ang Munich? Munich. Search natin. Munich. Ayan mga kaibigan, ayon sa Microsoft Bing, ang Munich is capital of Bavaria, Germany! So, pag hindi dumating si Sara Duterte sa linggo, sigurado tayo, doon yung punta niya. So, ano ang masasabi niya mga kaibigan sa paglipad ni Fiona? Pero baka naman hindi sa concert pupunta. Bigyan na natin yung benefit of the doubt sa kanya. Baka naman may shooting sila ng Shrek.